different channel. Oras na dito na. Sige, mami. Mag-end. Hindi ko naman to patagalin. Guys, I will not do this long time because I need to sleep, guys. Tomorrow I will do. Before I go to work, I will do live. So see you tomorrow. I'm just gonna do this. Half an hour ko na lang. Italy, 23:32. Okay. 11:32, Italy, Alessandro. Here it's 12:32 a.m. Time his place 23:32, right? Yes. What's Alessandro here? It's 12:33 a.m. Yes na. Yeah. So Cruz, you can sleep now, Alex. That's why I also like your channel because no bad comments. Alex, in my lady finger, they are sending bad comments, but it's okay. Never mind. Here in New York, Anthony, 5:33 p.m. Yes, in New York is still afternoon, and I like white. You like white? Which white? Gregorio, please check out your videos with the banana. Check comments. You have my... Okay, Gregorio. Okay, good night. Good night, Cruz. Thank you so much for helping. Alessandro, thank you. Thank you very much. 13 people in the house. Thank you very much. You look gorgeous, Alex. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Good night, Gregorio. Thank you. Sunil, thank you. She's 38. Ay, naku. Guys, only here half an hour, 30 minutes only. Yeah, because tomorrow I have work. Only 30 minutes and I will end. Where did I go? No, Alex, because tomorrow I have work. Tomorrow morning I'll do live again. Just I'm gonna do 30 minutes now only. Now 17 minutes. We have only 13 minutes. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Cruz. Thanks a lot. Alessandro, good night, Alessandro. Gregorio, good night. All of you, good night. Good night, good night. So at least we can have a rest. Yeah, it's rest time. We need to sleep. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. I-end ko na lang. Mommy, thank you. Your eyelashes are so good. Thank you so much. My eyelashes are so good. Thank you, 7 people. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. You're welcome na. Buti nga, mami, inutusan ako, i-live ko daw to. Nagbigay ng super sticker yung si Cruz dun sa kuwan ko sa short video. Nang bait-bait naman. Matulog na tayo. Let's sleep, guys. 20 minutes ko na lang. End ko na, mami. Napagod na ako. Sweet dreams. My love, sweet dreams. Oy, Matthew, Washington. Washington, you're welcome. Thank you so much for coming. Alex, sabi, what is your husband doing? I don't know. I don't know what he's doing. Oo, nakisleep na tayo. Oo, mag-sleep na tayo. 1 minute na lang, mami, para 20 minutes. At least naka-update ako ngayon dito. Hi, guys. Thank you very much. I love you. I love you. See you tomorrow. And I hope that my viewers in my other channel, I will tell them to come here also in my other channel. So, Sunil, thank you very much. Alex, Mommy, thank you. Alex and Gregorio, I see you tomorrow morning, baby. Okay, I see. See you tomorrow.